Welcome to Motorsounds. Motorsounds is a dedicated car audio installation hub which caters to all kinds of customized car audio requirements. Our tagline, Save the World from Bad Sound, makes a very clear statement about the intentions behind Motorsounds. There was this Gloster guy who wanted to upgrade audio in his car.
Actually, he wasn't much happy with the stock audio. He wanted to upgrade to a sound quality system in his car. Plus, the challenge was meeting his requirements of a house and electro. So, looking into all these aspects, the first thing came into my mind was one of the best signal processors in the market, Alpine. I'll show you. This was a solution. This particular product has 12 channels as well as it has a 31 band parametric equalizer. The equalization in the 12 channels that make this product very versatile. So I can actually tune each and every driver separately as per the customer's requirement.
We have decided on the signal processor of Alpine. Now comes the part of amplification.
When we're talking about amplification connected on a signal processor, we have a brand in mind, that is Audison. And one of the best brands and one of the best amplifier, Audison 4.300. The best part about this amplifier is it has a fourth order crossover network. Fourth order means it has very steep slopes. The infrasonics are cut going into the tweeter. Simple language में बोलेंगे तो base frequency को tweeters में जाने से cut करता है. The tweeters play more clean and zero distortion. Okay, so signal processor is done, amplification is done. Now we are looking for low frequency, मतलब bass, woofer क्या select करना है? So next question वो था हमारा. Whenever we are planning for a sound quality setup, the woofers generally that we use are active woofers and the brand again Audison.
The best part about this Audison subwoofer is the design. It is pretty compact and the box is tuned according to the driver. और एक चीज इसमें खासियत है कि it is two side two sound, means इसका मतलब down firing and back firing दोनों का अलग impact है, दोनों का अलग sound है.
The owner of this Gloster had already done installation of components and damping from somewhere else, and he told he is not happy with the installation, and also the brand selection wasn't that at par. So we did all the rectification, retaining the brands. We removed the components and fit them in the way they should be fitted, delivering a better sound quality and enhance the music experience for him.
Basically, we delivered sound quality. You guys can check his perspective after this.
So I got to know about Motorsounds through a YouTube video I saw when I was researching for my Gloster's audio upgrade. So I had various options from Rishabh, and though I was traveling somewhere, I ended up going to somebody else also to get my speakers upgraded to component speakers. But I was not happy with the actual make of the component speakers and the way the installation was done. So I was not satisfied. So I spoke to Rishabh again. And I fixed up a time to do a full overhaul, full upgrade based on what he thought was right, and he gave me a comprehensive solution. First he asked me what's my taste, what kind of songs I listen to. So he gave me a complete active setup option, which includes a 12-channel DSP from Alpine, two 4-channel amps for my front and rear. Second row component speakers, and then another amp for my center console mid-range, as well as the third row speakers, and then an active subwoofer. So overall, we just finished the tuning. And I'm listening to a few of my different songs, and I'm very happy, and this is the kind of music I was looking forward to. So thanks to Rishabh and his team, who have done a great job in terms of the fitting. It's extremely clean. Doesn't you won't feel that there's been some significant work done in this car. It's very professionally done. In fact, they have improved the fitting of the previous person who had done my component speakers. So they have removed some of the rings and the way it was fitted, and now it looks even more seamless. So fantastic work. I would give 5 stars to Motorsounds. So if you really are looking for premium audio for a premium car, I mean, this is one place you can speak to. And Rishabh and his brother, they know their stuff.
Stay tuned for further updates and upgrades. Keep on watching us. Thank you.